7518 Palermo. So we need to clean up the yard. I would paint that gate on the side. Just looking at it straight on, this planter thingy does not come across. So it would not inhibit the use of the RV gate. Most of the yards are taken care of on the way in. You know, you do have rock through grass in some places, but a lot of the yards actually look really good. So we have a satellite dish. I would definitely repaint the fascia and the wood trim around the garage. Those are not big ticket items. It's just something that would really add to the appeal, and I would paint that gate as well. So repaint the front door, which we're going to do anyway, because when you change out the locks, you're going to have to. Yeah, and repaint this trim. So pretty much all the wood needs to be repainted. There's a step down here. I almost didn't see it. 3 windows need 2.5-inch faux wood blinds, 100% repaint. This is window 4. That's window 5, even though it's a very large window. Step up. I don't like the. I feel like I'd fall. Oh, yeah, definitely a tripping hazard. Actually, I did fall earlier. Okay. But that's something that the property manager will tell us if she thinks we should address or not. Replacing this light with something modern, it should be just about maybe a little over $200. Repainting all the cabinets in the house should be under $1,200. Do something with this, I'm not sure what. Maybe, nope, not sure what. So the property manager will let us know about that as well. Okay. Oh, I lost count of the windows. Okay, that was 1 really big one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 windows so far. 10 windows. Okay. And a vertical. There's birds up there. Okay. And chicken coop, perhaps? Perhaps. Maybe junk those wood things over there, junk that as well. All of that. Okay. Oof. Okay. I think that was 10 windows. Fireplace looks good. Tile looks really good. Hardware doesn't match. Okay. Place this door or patch it. A lot of times we can patch it. I believe this is 11 windows. Remove cables. We can do an executive paint, which will look really nice with all the doors. Rekey that door as well. It's a big water heater. Maybe change out this lock. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay, the stairs. $200 to replace that light. About $200 to replace that light as well. Give or take a small amount. So far, I like this flooring. I think it's pretty. And it looks like it was laid fine. Little strip there, but I mean, yeah, it looks like it's fine. Fireplace upstairs. 12, 13, 14 windows. 15, just 15. $65 to replace that, recaulk it. These cabinets will be included when you repaint all the cabinets. Oh, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay. These actually look okay, but you might as well paint them to match. I think I was at 15, so I'm gonna go ahead and count the 16. Remove all of this. Flooring still looks good. Lots of patches. Oh, so 15, 16. I think this is 17, 18. Yeah, I'm happy with the flooring. The baseboards are fine. And we have tile. So there's some water damage. That's not uncommon. We'll just need to inspect it, ask for invoices. One more window in here, I lost count. Replace the light fixture. Okay. And count doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think there's 12 interior doors that need 13 that need new hardware.